So now that your machine maker project is almost done, we have to start the TCP calibration. For this we need our basic setup. This is something you will always need. Also for your normal mills over here, we also need this installation to measure these tools. So over here I have a block of aluminum and the top of the block is touching with this face over here. So this face. This face is also touching with your milling motor. So this is the overhang of your tool. So of course this is your long spike and this over here is your short spike. The greater the difference, the better your calibration will be. And you also need a reference point. So I have my reference point over here. These are all very sharp points. This we will place on our table. So over here we have our measurement tool. With this we can also measure our normal mills, but in this instance we will measure our short spike and long spike. So to start, you place it to the bottom completely. Then call this your 0 point, of course. Pull it up. Now be very careful to place it down, because otherwise you will damage your point and we won't want that. So in this case, this is 475.63 millimeters. So over here in the Machine Maker app, we can put in the value 475.625. And now we will do the same for the short spike. 149.18. 149.18. So now we have the length of our tools and we can place them in the milling motor and start measuring.